guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do another day in the life video, and right now the kids and I, there's the kids. Say hi guys. Hi. Right now the kids and I are going to head out. We have to go to the thrift store. We're going to do some, we're just dropping off some donations today, stuff that we don't use anymore or it's too small. And then we are going to go to mache's, which is our local bookstore. Yes, you can have the pencil sharpener. Here you go. The kids are going to be doing these little boxes, the busy kits that I have for the car, and I will show you guys when we get home what's actually in those. But yeah, we're just going to... She has a bowl on her head now. Yep, that's how it is, homeschooling. Yep. So it's pretty early. I'm going to stop and get a coffee, and it's really busy today out here on our road. But yeah, we're just going to do kind of a day in the life video for you guys while we're out and about. I'll tell you guys real quick, me and Ella both did get our haircut this morning, so I think it looks really cute. But I will show you her haircut in a few minutes. She decided to get bangs, so yeah. Oh yeah. So we just stopped at my grandma's house because her cat died, and she just gave us a whole bunch of cat stuff for our cats. Like there's a cat tree and a scratchy thing and stuff. And she was really nice and gave the kids a snack. They got an apple apiece. And I don't know where she got these giant apples, but she can't remember. She's 94. But they look amazing. They look so good. We stopped for, no, we're not getting that. We stopped for some snacks because we have so many food restrictions. We mostly, oh, you're in the video, baby. And if Ella, stand up, let me see your haircut. So she did get some off of her braid. Her braid's about halfway, and she got these cute little bangs. No. Hey guys, stop. So we're out of the store now, and I'm going to show you really quick what we bought. I got the bananas that you saw in the video. And then for to drink with that, I just got everybody a water. I got myself a core water because I really love these, and they're a little bit sturdier than the kids' waters. And now we are gonna, okay, oh, you didn't get your water yet, did you? Ella's got her water already. Now we're gonna head to the bookstore. So we've already been to the drop-off. We have these wonderful little boxes right here that we just drop our stuff off in them. It's usually clothing that we send into them. So it's clothing in a black bag. I just put it in that box and it's good to go. It's ready. And black bag in the box and all done with that. So I've moved everything. All of the cat stuff is not in the back seat anymore. It's all in the trunk where I pulled all the stuff out of the trunk. So we're doing our craft project for today. This is our craft, and the kids are making paper mache bowls. And then if we have time today, we're going to try to make paper mache masks also. But the reason why we're doing bowls is because Ella had gone to Heritage Girls and was doing the Artastic badge, and we had made some paper mache bowls that they painted this week. Is it gooey? Yeah. It's okay, just keep dipping. Gooey. We had made some paper mache bowls this week at Heritage Girls, and we had two little girls that joined right afterwards that are going to be there this week. They joined last week, but they didn't know to bring bowls, so they wound up just helping other kids, so we didn't have any extras. So what we're doing is we're making bowls for them so that and we have another little bowl right here that the kids are going to do. The one that Ella's working on over there is going to be given to one of the girls, and then this one right here, they're going to work on this one also. Mommy? Yes, baby. You can dip it. And then Troy's going to keep the red bowl that he's working on. But yeah, we're going to work on these bowls. And it's just messy, messy, messy work, which is awesome because kids love messy work.
Messy, messy.
And whoops, this one's kind of dry, baby. You put it on there dry. Oh, you put 2 pieces, that's why. Here, you need to wet those in the paint. Do you need more paint or more more glue stuff?
Yes.
Okay, cool. But anyway, we will show you guys what these look like in a little bit. Shape bowls, and this is what they look like when they're done. They're all dry, and it will pretty easily slide off because I sprayed the bowl. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it slides off easy. And I just taped saran wrap to the bowl. But if you just kind of do that and give it a little twist, the bowl will pretty much come right out, like super easy. Just like that. So there's one of the bowls that we did, and then there's the other one. This one is Troy's bowl. His was the last one to get put in here, so, and it has a couple extra layers on it, so we'll just leave that like that. And then these are the masks that the kids did. We're going to be doing a project on African masks pretty soon, so they will be painting these and stuff. So this one was on that Ella made, and like these are the creepiest masks I've ever seen, honestly. And this is the one that Troy made. But I mean, they're interesting, that's for sure. But those are the masks that the kids made of themselves, of each other, however you want to put it. But they're in here on my dryer drying, just because this is an area that the kids don't really come in. But yeah, that's basically all we did today. So we went to McKay's and we found this book, this How to Draw Animals book, and it's like in brand new shape, and I got it for $1.50. And it's this style of drawing, which is great for my 6-year-old. Let me get a little bit closer. And it's also great for my 8-year-old, but my 6-year-old really enjoys this step-by-step style. And it has all kinds of animals in here. It has like owls and toucans, how to draw a toucan. What else we got in here? How to draw a goat, how to draw a shark, all kinds of animals. It's just an animal book. How to draw 101 animals. So I thought that was great. We found that at the thrift store, or I'm sorry, at McKay's. And then we also found, we went to buy the Legos for my Lego project, which you saw in the last video. Because I had to have 33 busy bags worth of Legos, so that's why we went to McKay's, because they have this big bin of Legos. But then Ella found this book and really, really wanted it, and it was like $5. So it was actually one of their more expensive books that I've ever bought there, but it's like really great condition, and I love it because the inside has all these pop-ups and stuff, but it has real information. It's not just little kid pop-up books. So I really, really enjoyed this. And like this one, you pull it over here and it does like a little tug of war thing. Let's see what else we got in here. Has all these little flaps that tell you how they, I think this is the one where they stole something and how they got punished for it. So it's a really great book about ancient Egypt. And I have an update coming very, very soon. This is from Explore It, by the way. Take a journey through this mysterious land. I'm having an update very soon, possibly tomorrow, about new curriculum, because our curriculum's not working. We don't like it. So I'll tell you what that's all about tomorrow. We got that at McKay's, and then we also got Pictionary for the You Draw for the Wii. And the kids have had a blast with that all day today. And then I got Smarty Pants for the Wii also. And then we realized that this was more like a preteen style game. I can answer a lot of the questions, but my kids can't, so it still may be a really good learning game for them to like learn trivia facts. But so far they're not really enjoying that game. And then at the thrift store we had got some clothing and things like that, but we didn't really get anything else. We wound up finding this pictorial atlas of the world, and I got this because it has the most beautiful maps I have ever seen in a child's atlas. Like, this is North Africa. Here's another, this one's Australia. And it just has some beautiful, very vivid maps. Here's one of the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. And right now we are learning about this area right here, the Fertile Crescent. So that's really awesome. So this just had amazing maps in it. So, and then it has information as well. So that was a really great find, and I got it for $1.99 at the thrift store, at the Goodwill thrift store. So that was awesome. And then I got this one. This one is Wildlife of America, and my son found this because it had the bird on it, and we've been looking at different birds and things. So he thought it would be a really cool book to get. And then it had beautiful pictures also, and it's more like an encyclopedia kind of thing, which I don't really like, but he opened it up and it fell to the snakes and he was just like all excited. But it has all kinds of wildlife in it, like there are otters, caribou, alligators. So all of these beautiful pictures that my kids can look at. Oh, I think this is actually the page that it fell open to, because he loves snakes. Our cousin, their little girl who is about to turn 10 is actually getting a snake. So, and they're like best buddies. So he's excited about snakes. Me, not so much. So yeah, that was what we got at the thrift store, and that one was also $1.99. And then we had gone to my grandmother's to get the cat stuff. And that was basically it. We didn't wind up going out to eat this time because I had bought so much fruit as a snack. So the kids weren't really hungry to go out to eat or anything. Typically if we do go out to eat, we go to like someplace that has a really good salad bar because we eat a lot of salad. But when we got home, they were like super excited to try to do these masks, because when we were at the thrift store, we saw a huge African mask, and it had like horns and stuff. It was really cool, but it was made out of wood. So the kids were like really, and it was like this one. It didn't have a mouth, so it was so interesting. And the kids, I had already planned this craft. So I was like, well, while we have everything out, let's go ahead and just do both crafts, and then we won't have to get all the paper mache and all the goo and stuff out in 2 weeks. So yeah, that was basically our homeschool day, and then we came home. I fixed dinner, and the kids got to chill with Nana while I got some work done, and that was basically it. So thank you for watching. Creepy masks. Yeah. So cool. Like, it amazes me that the kids were able to do like 3D masks on their own. Like, they basically just watched a YouTube video and created it with a little bit of stuff that they had. And they are definitely like an image of the kids' faces. They fit perfectly. So yeah, I will show you guys after these are painted, like how they got painted and everything. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye!